Hey guys, I remember I told you guys I was coming back with another unboxing, and I did. This is Lifted Anchors, Los Angeles. Tell me what you think, and I'll be back. Alright, so now let's see how this shirt really looks. Pull the flap. I had to get an extra large because that was the last one that they had. I really didn't want to take the chance, but I mean, it was the last one, so I said, I'll take it. Alright, and let's see. Oh my. Damn, this is nice. Whew. Let's see if I can show you a better view. They told me to double up, and I guess maybe they were right. Or maybe not. Looks a little big. I don't know. We'll see though. We'll see. Yeah, guys, and that was Lifted Anchors, Los Angeles. That was the Arenas tee in black, extra large, but they're actually sold out of that particular style. But they still got the white ones up there. But yo, man, that shirt, it fit real good. They were right. They told me to go up a size. Instead of getting large, get an extra large, and I didn't. It fit perfectly. Not baggy, really slim. I don't really do baggy clothes, but I'm going to end up getting the sweater probably in a large, and we'll see how that one goes. But yeah, I'm going to leave their link in the description. You can go ahead and give the video a thumbs up if you like or subscribe. And I'll be coming back with more videos next week. Thanks for tuning in, you guys, and y'all have a good day.